Alright, so we just got word that Sean's having car issues, so me and Tyler are gonna go save him, but which car should we take? Sean, we're coming!
Get out of the way! Sean, we're coming! Dude, he ruined my day. Sean would've been fine waiting 3 minutes for me to... What, man?
Sean, we're coming for you! Sean, are you okay?
Oh, just like mine did?
We are done with another Model Y, so let me show you what we've done. Starting to get a lot more of these in. So first things first, the whole car has been tinted Cerelix 33 on the sides and the back. Nice and dark on the sides and back, but still legal. Photo sync RX7 on the front windshield and the sunroof. Really clear, so you can still see in and out, but heat rejection is there when you need it. And for the front of the car, the entire thing is Clearbra. The hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors are all protected. We even took off the T logos in the front, so there's no cutout around the badging. No more worrying, even go on long road trips or anything like that. Since this car is brand new, the paint looks really good, and we intend to keep it that way. Since the film that we use for this Clearbra is hydrophobic, I'm gonna show you a water beading test. All right, so when I pour water onto this hood or onto the fender here, it should bead up, basically just slide off. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, sliding all the way down. Perfect little circles right there. So you can imagine when you're washing your car with this, it's easier to clean and easier to stay clean.
Look, air goes in here through the upright and then out the back of the wing.
Beautiful purple Monte, and we're gonna be doing an alignment on this one. We're also gonna be adjusting the ride height.
And then out through these.
Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, that's sick.
E92 M3 is better than a Performante.
I'm not a fanboy of that car.
Usually on Lamborghini, eh? Tyler, do you think this has at least 1,000 horsepower?
It's 1,500.
Oh, 1,500. Okay, 1,500 guys, there you go. Yo, I like this. This is sick. Oh, so pretty. We have two purple Lamborghinis. Huracan here, and we have a Performante over here. So while this Huracan is getting alignment done, we're actually gonna be doing an oil change on this purple one.
The camber was a lot more negative before this, and we're making it more positive, so more tires on the ground for more traction and stability at high speeds. This is our 4th UGR Huracan we've done, I think, 3rd or 4th.
I didn't know we built a UGR Huracan.
No, like the...
Technically we do. We're part of the team.
I mean, yeah, we make them run faster. We did that white one, the green one. I think we did a yellow one.
Start naming different colors.
A purple one, a blue one, a silver one, violet, destroyer gray, nardo gray. So like 4 every time we've done one. Very happy results. I am the purple Lamborghini whisperer. Whatever he said. Haywood, help me. I can't find all the drain plugs.
How many are there?
8.
Is this one? Is this one? Is this one? What that? Is that one? That might be it. Is that a wheel?
Engine's in the front, guys. Come on.
Is this one? Fine by me.
So wake me up.
Can you imagine how lame it would be to just live your life based on EDM music?
What are these called?
What are they called, Sean?
Crush washers, because they get.
I would have just said washer. What the f? Why is it draining like that again?
When's the last time you did a oil change?
It's overdue. I love when BMW guys see stuff that's not like perfectly maintained and they're just like, this whole car's gonna break down
bro,
in the
this
next
is
5,000
really
miles.
black. You know, it's common. I'm just saying.
If it's common, then why are you freaking out so much?
So, if you've been following the vlogs, you would know that Ted has been trying to buy an RX7 for the past 5 months.
I'm thinking about getting a FD RX7.
Well, he still hasn't got one yet, even though he talks about it every single day. So here's a new segment I like to call Tire Kicking with Ted.
What if I don't buy it? It's embarrassing.
This has some potential. Premium FD, $65,000. So it doesn't sound like he would negotiate too much. Please refrain from sending me lowball offers. He did not say not to send an offer. Looking for a person that can respect the value of this car and share the same passion as I do for FD.
Is that you?
He didn't upgrade his brakes, which is disappointing.
Oh, you know it's well taken care of. He doesn't drive fast.
That's true too.
He probably goes at max 40 kilometers an hour.
Freshly
That's 60,
rebuilt.
I believe, in Canadian.
It's the ECU tuning. It's not really the greatest. I'm not like a big RE. I'm a Mia fan. Hold on. Does it have back seats? Does not have back seats. That is a big thing. Yeah.
What are you talking about?
What's wrong with it? No AC.
Add it back.
It's easy.
How much is this one? Let's see.
It's red.
64,000. I don't mind red.
The back seats?
No. But the back seats I think I can figure out.
Oh, so selling now is not a problem. Earlier with the gray one, it was an issue.
No. Not have back seats. Well, I'm just saying.
Day 2.
I think I'm gonna back out of that now. Why? Because
Man, who was documenting everything?
telling you that what? He's saying you need to just buy the manual.
The very next evening.
Why are we here?
We are here to look at a potential RX7.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
It is older,
Yeah.
just saying. Until,
Oh, interior is pretty
and
good.
then so bumper, you can buy like the 96 or 99
Yeah, I've
spec.
seen that. Okay.
But
so
just to confirm, let you know, this is a R2.
And you bought it with these wheels, right?
Not really sure how I feel about the wheels. But luckily, we can take care of that.
You know if the defrosters work? AC works well. Have you had issues with it overheating or anything?
Does this really help? There's no like accidents.
Wow. Oh my god, I think it's so fast. Alright guys, that's it for the vlog. Thank you so much for watching. We want to work in cars, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. Please like this video, subscribe. I really would appreciate it. I will see you guys next time. What happened? So did we get the car?
Well, yeah, I told him, I said, hey, I want to buy it. I'll pay you right now. And he's like, well, I'm not ready. Scale of 1 to 10 for a used 25-plus-year-old car. It's like a 7. It does rattle. The seller would mess himself up is they're allowing me to think now. Is this really the car for me? See, so I'm going to wake up tomorrow morning, see if I'm still in the mood.